Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect a new remote to TCL Roku TV. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then navigate to remotes and devices, select remotes and then add new remote. Here you will have instruction on how your remote looks like. So there's one with the microphone pinhole underneath the power button and one with the microphone pinhole on the left. Choose whichever one you have and then click on OK. Now you will need to remove the battery cover, which usually is under that remote, and find the pairing button. Click and hold it for 5 seconds till the LED lamp starts glowing with green color, and that way you will enter pairing mode, and after a few seconds you should be able to find your remote right here on the list on the left. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.